Hey there guys, and in this video I'm going to show you the problems that I faced on while starting the car actually. So let me put the key. Let me show you the dial. So if I press the clutch and check on it, there's a small beeping going on. Actually there's a small beeping going on. So this is a problem that's happening for me quite a while. So let me let me open the boot up for you guys. I suggest you guys to remove the key and keep it.
And this black box over here is the main fuse box. Actually the car has two fuse boxes, so this is the main fuse box, and another one would be another driver's dashboard. So to remove this, actually there will be a clip-on locks, so we have to press it and pull it up. All the fuse numbers would be displayed over here, so that's easy that we could change the right fuse. So here we are going to change the second fuse from the left side, so ST solenoid, so that's starter solenoid. It's a 20 amps fuse. That's what we are going to change it right now. As you could see, the indigo color one below the 10 amps, there's 20 amps switch, so that's what we are going to change it right now. That's the one which is causing a problem. And this is a fuse clipper, so using this we could easily remove the fuse from the clip. So as you guys could see closer, the fuse is actually blown off, so that's what causes the vehicle not to start. And also the fuse pins have been degraded to see. As you can see, it's more blackish of color. And also I took the liberty of seeing other fuses, so this what mostly all the fuses has been blacked out, so we are going to change all of those. And if this is the first time that you are removing the fuse box, actually there will be spare fuses inside the fuse box. So actually I used all of those, so that's the place where the spare fuses will be located. So I had to buy new fuses actually right now. So and these are the new fuses that I brought. Actually it cost around 3 to 5 rupees per piece. So this fuse is actually called as a blade fuse. It's a smaller one type. Actually there's also a bigger one, but for cars like this we must be using smaller ones. And now let's fix the fuse and see. Over here I have installed new spare fuses, so that under some unfortunate circumstances I could use the fuse again, right? Now let's close it up and start the motor and see. Also make sure that the battery terminals are tight. So if it's loosen up, it won't provide the sufficient power to the electrical parts. So make sure it's tight.
So now let's try to start the car.
The car is starting and everything is working fine. And I think it's a common problem in Tata Tiago and Tigor. So don't know about Nexon. So changing the 20 amps fuse will solve your problem. And thank you for watching this video. To like and subscribe to our channel.